What's up, YouTube? G Hook is back, man, and today, as you see, we got Aqua in the bay. I'm tired of hearing this rattle noise that you hear, and it's a way you can delete it, and it's by wiring your active exhaust open. And so we're gonna do that right now. He got it jacked up, and so we're gonna show you how to wire it open. My boys. So yeah, so stay tuned. Don't forget, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get this actuator wired open. So yeah, you guys, all you do is make sure your valve is turned to the right. And it's very easy, you guys. You just get a wire, copper wire, metal, or plastic, whichever one you can get. Yeah.
And once you pull it tight on it, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, bet.
It's got to go on the outside.
Oh,
so
bro.
It's going to go around like that, you know what I'm saying? When you pull the top back tight,
yeah,
it's done.
Okay. Hold on. Put it. All right, there we go. Now you can do it tight.
This motherfucker ain't cool too.
It ain't?
I know.
Yeah, I think it go that way.
Yeah.
There we go. There the fuck you go. I'm trying to keep that bitch behind there. Alright. There we go.
Did it get tight in it though?
Yeah. I just gotta push it back. Yeah, there we go. And it's open. Alright. Yep, there we go. It's open. That bitch ain't going nowhere. Look at it, yeah. Hold on. You think it'll work if we went downwards? Oh, try to push it to the back, kind of, because it's coming up, you see? Try going this way. Try going out through that hole.
Once this one is on, it's locked. You gotta lock this one.
Yeah, it just turned. Try going through this hole, going down. You don't think it'll work going through this hole? They had it going downwards right here. That's how they be doing it. They use these two holes right here.
That's up right there.
What?
Didn't tie that down. Didn't catch all that damn good.
You probably gotta get a new one. Yeah, it might be easy. You probably gotta use these two holes for real. That's probably why it ain't sticking. Here's the other. I got more wires on you. You probably just cut that one. Yes, sir. You got it in the groove. See, y'all. That's why you have to have a mechanic that knows how to improvise. You can't always go by the book. You see how he put it inside the groove? And it's not moving like that, y'all. And we can still clamp it in. So there you go, y'all. That's all it takes. And then we just screw it in like you unscrewed it, y'all. It's very easy. And remember to take the spring out like that. You're all good.
You start hanging this one.
I got another electric one in the house, man. I feel really good, man, reduce to a little bit. And I got a lot of
Hey.
Nah, I'm in there. That's it. That's it. You got a automatic start up here?
What?
You got an automatic start?
Yeah.
Alright. Fire it up.
Right now?
Yeah.
Hey, that shit fixed. Oh, here. Hey, that shit would have been squeaking. Hey, it would have been squeaking, doing all type of nut shit. That shit good. You fixed it. Hey, you fixed it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He fixed it. You too. So there you go, man. That's all you need to do. I just showed it to you one-on-one. So yeah, that's all you need is just to hold the valves up and you're all good, man. As you can hear, it sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. There's no more squeak. So yeah, man, so stay tuned. I'm about to give you a little pull right now. All right, man. No more squeaking. Valves open all the time. Woo! Don't forget Precision Tune Auto Care right in Durham, NC, right across from the dealership right here. I think it's Volkswagen, man. Don't forget, right beside the Durham Rescue Mission. Precision Tune Auto Care, man. They're always gonna get you right. This is where I always go whenever I need something done on my car. I've been going to them for 4 years now since I've had the car, and everything has been great. So yeah, so that's all you need, guys. So stay tuned for my next video, but I am going to give you a couple pulls. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I just want to let you hear it one more time, you guys. The valves are now open. So yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. All right, y'all. We got Aqua in auto mode, and she's sounding good. Let me put it in manual mode real quick. Woo! Y'all can't tell me it don't sound good. Hey, y'all can't tell me that don't sound good, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that don't sound good, y'all. Man. Let's go. Y'all want me to hit it for y'all or what, man? Hold on. Let's go, y'all. So there you go, man.